2018 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, power windows, power door locks, clock, security system, side airbag, CD player, overhead console, tachometer, intermittent wipers, power mirrors, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, power outlets. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.